Over here you can see that I have a picture, and this picture has a certain level of sharpness applied to it. So if I want to adjust out the picture sharpness, then one way to do so is by going into Enhance and by going into Adjust Sharpness. The other way is Unsharp Mask, and that is what we're going to focus on in this video. So I'm going to go around and click on Unsharp Mask, and once I do that, if I were to enable and disable the preview, you can see a certain level of sharpness is applied to it. Let me just go around, increase out the amount, and you can see that the sharpness level increases accordingly right here as I enable and disable the preview. I can work around with the radius to affect the area on where the sharpness is applied, and you can increase around the threshold right here to make it a bit more softer. As you can see, decrease out the threshold and it becomes sharp, and if I were to increase out the threshold, it becomes more soft right here, as you can see. And you can see the before and after right here by using the preview right here, just like this. And that is how you can utilize the Unsharp Mask inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.